This 2017 Winnebago Forza 34T is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a reflection, autumn ridge, Nantucket, Serene interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2017 Winnebago Forza 34T is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.